Hello viewers, welcome back once again. Today I am going to cook dum biryani or steamed biryani. Here I have fried chicken legs in oil 1 to 2 minutes. For fry them, oil should be higher than chicken legs. Then give them one cut so the heat and spices can be penetrate well. I have took wok for fry chicken pieces. Firstly, put oil 3 to 4 tablespoons or more. Start fry chicken on medium flame. Keep frying them properly from each side on the same time in another pot. I am going to fry onions. On fried onions, add 3 to 4 cutted tomatoes. Also add fried chicken which is half cooked. With it, I am adding crushed garlic, ginger and green chili mixture. And start fry together. On other hand, I am going to fry chicken legs in same wok and oil for enhancing their flavor in biryani. Again other side, half teaspoon turmeric, add 1 teaspoon red chili, add half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon crushed chili powder, 2 cardamom, add chicken legs and fry them together for 10 minutes. Then put cumin powder half teaspoon, chicken masala 1 and half tablespoon. Mix it well and cook it for 15 minutes more. I took another pot for frying onions for rice preparation. Fry them until become golden brown. Add cutted ginger which is optional. Add cloves and star anise after it. Cloves and star anise for flavor in rice. Add 1 cup of water. Add some slices of lemon. Again add 1 more cup of water. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Mix it Then cover it and let it be boiled. After boiling water, add 2 cups basmati rice, mix it, and cover it until become half cooked. In the same pot, arrange them layered by layered. One layer of rice and second with prepared chicken gravy. Similarly arranged all of it in the same pattern. Remember, I did not put any water in chicken. Actually, it's from chicken and from other added ingredients. Now, I am adding yellow food color, which is optional. Just put little on the sides. Then cover it for 15 minutes on low flame. After 15 minutes, you can see tasteful and delicious biryani is ready to serve. Dish out and enjoy it. It's easy to make at home. So try it at home and then write in the comment box about your experience. You can also enjoy it with the yogurt, sauce or mayonnaise. With another tasty recipe, I will become in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.